this scripture is actually one that I was going to look at, looking at the story of the lost son, because there's a similarity here between these siblings and the way the one is relating to the father, or to Jesus in this case, and the way the other is. And there's a bit of competition here. And so Martha comes to Jesus and kind of comes to him with one of those statements we love to make. We say, Lord, don't you care? That's often how we even begin our prayers. Lord, don't you care that I'm doing all this work, and here Mary is just sitting at your feet? And Jesus answered and said to her, Martha, Martha, you are worried and troubled about many things, but one thing is needed, and Mary has chosen that good part which will not be taken away from her. And I don't believe Jesus is saying that's bad. It's bad, Martha. Don't do that serving. Don't do that hospitality. We don't want that. But there's a significance of this moment where Jesus is present in their home, something that is not going to be the case all the time. His time with them in this particular moment is limited. And so he says, it's better right now that you actually sit at my feet than that you're busy creating a perfect environment.